A mistake that makes you humble is better than an achievement that makes you arrogant. So, good morning. Today's topic for our discussion is be humble always. So, humility is very important in day to day life and it is also very important for your growth. So, let us explore this topic more by having some examples. So, we all have seen the storm. When the storm comes, there are very fast winds and which uproot many trees. So what we see that majorly those trees are uprooted which stand straight, and the same goes with the arrogant person. The arrogant person is stand straight in front of everyone, be it senior, be it his junior. So in a in a, so after some time he'll be get uprooted, means he'll lose, everyone will lose interest in him, while the person who is humble, he stays in his position for a long time. So humbleness is very important. There's one beautiful story for understanding this topic better. One time ocean asked Ganga Devi that, oh Ganga Devi, whenever you bring me whenever you are flooded, you bring me big boulders and big trees, but I've never seen you bringing me small leaves and small plants. Why so? So Ganga Devi very beautifully replied that, oh my dear ocean, my force is very strong. So the boulders which stand still and the trees which stand still in front of me, because of my strong force, they are uprooted and they are shifted from their position, and due to which I bring them to you. But when I pass to the farmlands, the leaves are very soft and small, and when I pass through them, they take a humble position and they lay down. So when they lay down, I pass through them. So that's why they are saved. They are spared. So this means that humbleness is very important. Now, many people think that the people who are coward practice humbleness, but that's not the point. You know, let's take the example of the Pandavas. The Pandavas uh, are very strong. Everyone know that the Pandavas are very strong. They have Lord Sri Krishna on their side. They have Hanumanji on their side, and many more. But they never boasted up their success and their value and their power for the common people. Even the common people loved them very much. So this shows that humbleness is very important. In fact, when Pandavas were given the Khandavapras, the Khandavapras was like Sahara Desert nowadays. So instead of being given them the Khandavapras, they accepted the Khandavapras with humility, and they built a very beautiful city that was even more prosperous than Hastinapur. So we see that humility is very important, and God also is on the side of the person who is humble. Humble does not mean that you are coward. Humble means that you accept that someone can be more intelligent and someone can be more great than you. You are not the only great person who is born. No. So we see that humbleness is very important. Now the point is that how we should practice humbleness in our day-to-day life, because we try to practice humbleness, but something or some factor influence and we lose that humbleness. So Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in his six Sarthaka has very importantly told a verse that is very important. He said that Trinadapi Sunichena Tarorapi Saisuna Amanina Manadena Kirtaniya Sadari. It means that a person can chant the holy name of Lord only if he understood him to be lower than a straw of a grass in the street, and he should be more tolerant than a tree. Look out, the trees are very tolerant. We pluck the leaves of the trees, we pluck the flowers from the trees, we pluck the fruits from the trees, and we have never seen any tree chasing a person, saying that, oh, you have plucked my fruits and all that. So trees are very tolerant. In fact, we cut the trees and we burn them during the winter season. So trees are very tolerant. So a person should be tolerant like a tree. He should consider him to be lower than a straw of a grass in the street, and then he can practice his spirituality. He can take the holy name of the Lord. He should not be in the want of the fame and success. He should give the respect to others. So that's how important humility is. Now, there are some points that we can follow to practice humility in our day to day life. First point is avoid bragging. Many of us have done several achievements in our life, several accomplishments we have achieved, but that does not mean that we are the only one who has achieved something. Everyone has achieved something or something different in your life. So we should respect everyone's achievement, and we should not brag our achievements to anyone. Second point is we should start giving compliments to other. Very arrogant person is, it's very difficult for an arrogant person to give compliments to other. So please give compliments to other, it will increase your humility. The next point is, you when you go wrong, accept your wrong doings. This is very important. The arrogant person never accept that he is wrong at some place or some time. So if you are wrong, please accept that you are wrong and improve that mistake for the next time. Now, the next point is, be grateful to what you have and what you don't have. Always be grateful in what God gave you and what didn't God gave you, because God gives everyone according to his own capabilities. So be grateful in everything and every position you are in. Now, the next point is that never boast your accomplishments. As I said, never boast your success. So be in a humble position always. Understand that everyone may be great, anyone can be maybe great than you, or anyone may be low than you. So it doesn't matter. Everyone everyone is having their own importance and their own pace. So the last important point is that in the Bhagavad Gita, Lord Sri Krishna says that anything special in a person, any quality that is special in a person is because of him. So understand it, this point, that anything special in you is because of Lord Sri Krishna. So I think if you follow these points, you can practice humility in your day, and gradually you will increase your humility and will be humble. Thank you.